the controller. Yep, this is it. Hey guys, LegalLockPIcker here, and welcome to today's episode. We are going to take a look at the Sparrows Controller Set. Comes in nice Sparrows traditional case here, the same kind of case you get with the Velcro shut that comes with most of their lockpick sets. These are also really convenient. They're small, they can fit in the pocket real easily, so it's not too cumbersome when trying to carry around. So you can see the tools right here. Comes everything lined up pretty nice. The Sparrows Controller Set, like most of their set, is a moderate price range. You can get it from SparrowsLockPick.com for $39, and then the shipping costs, whatever the standard shipping is for your area, so $39 plus mine would be $8.50 or something like that. So you're looking for in the mid 40s for the controller set, and I think that's a very reasonable price for the items that you're getting. So let's take a look at those items. First things first, we're going to look at the tension tools. It comes with 6 tension tools altogether, 1 pair of Kingpin tweezers, and of course the tools above. Okay, these come in 3 different sizes, and all the tips are different as well. You can use these for top or bottom of the keyway, depending on how skilled you are. Let's take a look at the other side. These are longer. These, again, are all different sizes, and the longer ends are for bottom of the keyway placement. Okay, next we're going to use the, again, bottom of the keyway tension tools here. They come with 3 sizes. These are not tapered. However, they do come with a twist. Literally, they come with a twist. Okay, these are the sizes that you're working with here. And they make them like this in the 301 stainless steel. Cold Max stainless steel, I should say. Some people like the twist, and some people, like me, prefer the Z bars without the twist. Okay, next we're going to take a look at the double peak here. Now, when these picks come delivered, you can use them right out of the box, and that's how these come. You can see here that this is a pretty standard double peak. Come in 25 thousandths or 0.64 millimeters. Now this is the next one, a snake rake. It's your standard snake rake here. It's very smooth. Again, you could use this, right out of the container here. Container, like we're drinking it. Okay, the next one is... Now this is a very interesting one because it looks like a half ball or a tapered triangle, like a diamond. Whoops. It's just enough for you to be able to move the pin ever so slightly. It's actually it's a pretty good tool if you have a pin that you want to touch just ever so slightly. This is a deep hook for setting pins in the back of the lock that are hard to reach. It's got a larger than average nose at the top here. I will show you another example for that right here. This would be the smaller hook of the two. So you can see there's more surface area for the deep hook and less for the short hook here, but you have your option of picking the short hook or the deep hook. Finally, we have the reason why I purchased this set here, besides for the review. It's the Sparrows Kingpin Tweezers. Now, comes with their Sparrows logo on it. They make it with the 301 Cold Max stainless steel. What they do to make this stand out is the top of the tweezer portion. You can see when I push them together, resemble a pin. So the pin, as you can see, slides in there pretty well and easy to place in the lock. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got something out of it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. What do you like about this set, and would you change anything? Would you change anything out of the Sparrows Controller set here, or would you keep it exactly the way it is? Alright, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Have a great one.